Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making beef stew in my Instant Pot. If you'd like to see how, please stay tuned. I will be using Lawry's seasoned salt, meat tenderizer, salt and pepper, olive oil, diced tomatoes, beef bouillon, minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I diced up 1 onion, 2 stalks of celery, 1 bell pepper, a cup of baby carrots, 4 large potatoes, and 4 pounds of chuck pot roast. Turn your Instant Pot onto saute and add your olive oil. I used approximately 2 tablespoons. Place your beef into a bowl that has a lid and add your seasonings. Mix your beef well until the seasoning is evenly spread amongst your meat. Add 2 tablespoons of flour to half of your meat. You only want to add flour to half of your meat because you don't want your gravy to be too thick while cooking. Add your lid and then shake until it's evenly coated. Okay, now add your meat into your Instant Pot and let it saute. I cooked mine in 3 batches, 2 that were coated with flour and 1 that was not. Add your garlic and then pour in the rest of your meat that you put aside. You don't have to fully cook your meat because it's going to finish cooking during the process. In my measuring cup, I added 2 tablespoons of better than bouillon and 2 cups of water. Add 2 more cups of water to cover the meat. I use my wooden spoon to scrape all the flavor from the bottom of the pan. And then add your Worcestershire sauce. I used approximately 2 tablespoons. Now add your tomatoes. And give it a nice stir. Bring it to a boil and then add your lid. Select meat stew on your Instant Pot and that will set the timer for 35 minutes. Be sure it is set at sealing and once the needle is up, it will begin pressure cooking. Okay, it's been 35 minutes and I let it rest for 20 minutes. And now we're going to release the steam. I always use a spoon because the steam will get hot. Once the steam is out and the needle goes down, it is safe to open. The meat is nice and tender. Now it's going to be time to add your veggies. Also taste your food and make sure it's seasoned well. Add your lid and pressure cook for 10 minutes. Again, make sure your Instant Pot is on sealing. Okay, I let out the steam and let it rest for 5 to 6 minutes. Now it's time to open up the lid. I used a method of cooking my vegetables and meat separately to avoid them from being overcooked. To finish it off, in my measuring cup I added 2 cups of water, a tablespoon of flour, and 1 teaspoon of my beef better than bouillon. I mixed it up and added that for thickness. Mix it up and let it sit on warm for 5 to 10 minutes. And then it's done. I will be serving it over white rice with biscuits. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Thank you.